This lazy side hustle is making people $1,000 each, but no one talks about it. Coming up with an easy way to make more money can be life-changing, even if it's just a little extra cash each month. But instead of investing in rental properties or driving for a rideshare service, what if you could generate income using just your laptop and a little extra time? In a recent video posted to TikTok, business coach Hannah Chan claims people can take advantage of a lazy side hustle that doesn't even require you to show your face. She says it starts by asking AI service ChatGPT to come up with a list of 50 niche subjects that are making money off YouTube and picking one that interests you. She then says to search the niche on YouTube and filter the results by views to find a topic that is proven to work, which in her case is a travel video about the top 10 things to do in London. The rest of the hustle involves using a new service to generate a high-definition video on the topic in minutes, using a sentence to describe what you'd like. Once it's complete, you can even edit the video or generate a new one if it's incorrect. She then says to download the video and upload it to YouTube to generate traction on your channel, which can end up paying out as much as $1,000 each month. Related, never use autopay for these 6 bills, according to financial experts. This style of video is becoming more popular thanks to new technology. Secure couple using laptop. Fisks/Shutterstock. If you've spent time clicking around lately, experts say there's a chance you may have already watched a video generated using this tactic. New AI tools are proving incredibly useful for content creators, and this includes YouTubers. Tom Blake, founder of this online world, tells Best Life. And there are now plenty of apps and companies that leverage AI to help video creators edit videos more efficiently. In fact, you can even create entire videos from scratch with AI tools just by providing a few prompts. He explains that these tools have led to a rise in faceless YouTube channels, in which people create videos with AI tools, never revealing their face or even their own voice. Many of these channels cover popular topics with viral potential, like celebrity news or current events, Blake says. And since creating videos can take just a few minutes, it's easy to run multiple channels at once as a faceless YouTuber. Related, 5 signs you're not tipping enough, experts say. Despite how easy it seems, you're technically breaking the rules by posting this type of content. YouTube tab pulled up on computer screen. Julius Gilitis/Shutterstock. At first glance, it might seem like AI-generated videos would be an easy passive income stream. But Blake warns this isn't the most secure side hustle when it comes to making money on YouTube. It's actually against YouTube's terms of service to spam the platform with auto-generated content, he cautions. For AI video creation, this can be a bit of a gray area since AI tools can still create excellent content. But if a creator is simply posting AI-made videos with basic stock footage, a robotic voice, and no real editing or substance, YouTube could demonetize their videos and channels for violating its guidelines. Related, 24 smart shopping habits that will save you loads of money in the long run. Experts suggest using AI in different ways to help in your side hustles. An excited young man in a yellow shirt on his laptop. Arita Images/Shutterstock. The risk of getting flagged by YouTube might be enough of a reason for many creators to back away from this tactic. But experts also point out that even though Chan's video makes it seem very easy, getting it going to the point where it's generating a lot of cash is anything but. Using AI to create content, even simple videos as this TikTok creator suggests, takes a ton of work and time, says Jeff Rose, CFP, founder of Good Financial Sense. I've seen faceless YouTube channels gain traction, but that's typically after 50 to 100 uploads, and even that isn't guaranteed, thanks to the finicky YouTube algorithm. Bottom line, even if this strategy could work, it's far from lazy. Blake agrees, saying that ultimately, YouTubers should use AI tools to speed up their editing workflow and create higher quality content. The viral TikToks claiming you can make thousands of dollars on YouTube with ease by spam posting AI videos are misleading, he warns. This is almost a surefire way to get your videos and channel demonetized. The end goal should always be to create engaging, unique content that adds value to YouTube. Celebrity billionaire Mark Cuban recently told CNBC that if he were young today, he'd launch an AI prompt writer side hustle because of the gig's low barriers to entry, no degree required, and potential for six-figure earnings. This side hustle involves crafting prompts, specific instructions to guide an AI model to generate relevant, accurate outputs, including images, code, and text. According to ZipRecruiter, the national average pay for AI prompt writers is $24 an hour. I'm a self-made millionaire. Here's how I use ChatGPT to make a lot of money. AI prompt engineer. Time to reach $1,000. 19 hours. The terms prompt writer and prompt engineer are often used interchangeably, but there are key differences in the job description and in what that job pays. AI engineers have a more technical role. They create prompts that focus on optimization and take factors like computational cost and accuracy into account. According to ZipRecruiter, the average AI prompt engineer earns $54 an hour, or $111,552 per year. AI tutor. Time to reach $1,000, 16.5 to 29 hours. AI tutors don't teach skills to students aspiring to work in the field of artificial intelligence. They teach AI models to learn. According to a Medium profile of the gig, you don't have to be a tech whiz to make money as an AI tutor, just decent English writing and research skills that allow you to feed datasets to AI software, helping it to improve and grow. Currently, Elon Musk's XAI company is hiring tutors for remote positions that pay $35 to $65 an hour. AI content writer. Time to reach $1,000. 25 hours. AI content writers, like those who Amazon is currently recruiting, review AI-generated content to provide preference data for training initiatives. According to ZipRecruiter, the average AI content writer earns $40 an hour. If you decide to take this gig full-time, that's an $84,151 annual salary. TikTok usually gives me the distraction I'm looking for with funny dog videos and relatable parenting content. But now the algorithm has decided I'm lazy and broke, okay? Partly true. And the antidote is a side hustle generating passive income. Every day there is a creator in my feed spooking the potential to make $3,000 a month from doing almost nothing. Forever a boring realist, I'm not sure these #easy side hustles are everything Dan is promising me from his mom's basement. So I went to the experts for advice. Common investing mistakes. Photo shows Melissa Ma sitting in front of plants, in a story about peer-to-peer lending. Melissa Ma sitting in front of plants, in a story about peer-to-peer lending. We speak to two young investors about their biggest mistakes, and what they'd do differently if they had their time again. You need to invest time or money. The mix of side hustles I'm seeing promoted on TikTok include dropshipping, affiliate marketing, and subscribing to focus groups, just to name a few.